It is no longer a new thing. It is generally accepted. Everybody is aware that instant noodles, also known as Indomie, is one of the popular instant food in the entire world. It is fast, cheap, and delicious. But the question is it really safe for your health? Is it safe to be consumed often and in high quantity? In this video, I will be breaking down the truths about instant noodles using the guidelines and research of the World Health Organization to separate the myths from the facts. So, grab your popcorn, tighten up your seat belt, and let's dive into the world of Indomie. Families, you're welcome back to this channel. This is your girl Faith, and this is Being Real with Faith channel. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle, anything that has to do with lifestyle, food, and health related truths. If this is your first time, please join the family. And if this is not your first time you've been with us in this channel, much hugs, like this video and thumbs up. So let's dive into what we have to discuss today. Very important subject matter, which is instant noodles. A lot of people say instant noodles is harmful to our health. Some even went ahead to say it's cancerous, it causes cancer. Now we are here to break down the truth today. Does instant noodles actually affect our health, or people are just over exaggerating? And that leads us to the first question, which is, what is instant noodles? Indomie. Indomie is made from wheat flour, vegetable oil, and a sachet seasoning. The seasoning contains MSG, which is monosodium glutamate, sugar, dehydrated vegetable, spices, and preservative. Now, the main issue here is the salt content. Indomie contains high level of salt. According to the World Health Organization, the salt intake we should take per day should not exceed 2,000 grams of sodium, which is equal to 5 grams of salt. Instant noodles contains 1,200 to 1,800 grams of sodium. Now imagine you eat instant noodles every day. You are already going beyond what World Health Organization recommends, and that is risky to your body system. So the question is, some people say that the MSG present in instant noodles is what makes it bad. No. Both World Health Organization, the US FDA, recommends that MSG is good for the body, but when consumed in excess, that is what is bad. Instant noodles contain 1,200 to 1,800 grams of sodium, whereas you were asked, it is recommended that 2,000 milligrams of salt per day. And then if instant noodles alone, out of the meals you consume, instant noodles alone is containing 1,002 to 1,008, then you are going beyond the recommendation. This is where our health is at risk. Now, when you eat too much of instant noodles, also known as Indomie, the first thing that will happen over time is you will experience what is called high blood pressure. Reason because of the high sodium present in that meal. So it is not advisable you make instant noodles your daily meal. It is not advisable you eat it often and often, because you eat other food that contains salt. You eat other food that contains salt. Okay, take for instance, you took instant noodles in the morning. Then, in the afternoon, you made soup and swallow. Now, in the evening, you decided to take rice or any other food. You are adding salt to all those things, including carbonated drinks also, triggers it. Now, when taking all these things with the 1,800 milligram of salt you've taken in the morning, which is the instant noodles, you are putting yourself at risk. Now, secondly, instant noodles contains high carbs, which is carbohydrates, with a little touch of fiber. It does not contain either protein or vitamin, which is bad, because since instant noodles contain high salts and then it contains a lot of carbohydrates, not having protein or vitamin is not good for your body. You need to balance the diet. And because it contains high carbohydrates, there is all possibility that weight gain will happen, because it contains high carbohydrates. So weight gain is inevitable. Remember, when you gain weight, we have two types of fats in the body, two major types of fat in the body. We have the low density lipoprotein and we have the high density lipoprotein. I explained this extensively in my previous video where we are talking about garlic used to reduce cholesterol. If you have not watched that video, go to the channel and watch that video. I explained extensively what is low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein. So when you eat instant noodles constantly, you are giving yourself the chances to add weight. You might be adding the bad cholesterol to your body, which is risky. Now, let's talk about the health risk of overeating Indomie. 1. High blood pressure. 2. Kidney restraint. 3. Weight gain. And 4. Nutrient deficiency. When you overeat Indomie, it is likely you have the high chances to experience all these things I have mentioned. Kidney restraint. Your kidney is unable to filter or take away toxins from your body. Your kidney become weak. High blood pressure because of the high sodium intake, because of the high sodium presence in the Indomie, it will affect you, because kidney and salt, they don't stay together. Salt deteriorates the kidney. Salt damage kidney. Eating too much salt breaks down kidney. Instant noodles contains a very high carbohydrates and very low in other nutrients. And when carbohydrate is too much in the body and other nutrients are absent, then weight gain is inevitable. Now, how do we best eat noodles? Number 1, you must make sure that all nutrients is present, especially your protein and your vitamins. When preparing noodles, add protein such as egg or fish or meat. One of these protein should be present in your noodles. Secondly, your carrots, cabbage, green beans, this should be present in your noodles. It's going to help you a lot. It will help balance the diet, and your body will keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Not just consume the noodles itself that is very high in carbohydrates. No. Now, make sure you reduce how you take it. Reduce the eating of noodles. Don't eat it every day. Eat it occasionally, because you still consume other food at home that has salt. Noodles alone is very high in salt, in sodium. You are killing yourself eating it frequently. Please avoid that. And lastly, drink a whole lot of water. Hydrate your body. Drink water, because taking much water will help flush excess sodium and other things that are not supposed to be in your body. Taking much water will help get rid of excess toxins from your body. We all know that taking water generally makes the body good. It makes you feel good. It helps all your kidney, your lungs, your liver. It helps generally your body system. It flushes out infection, bacteria, bad bacteria from our body. Anything that can disrupt your body daily activities. Staying hydrated is very, very essential, and it is advisable that at least you drink 8 cups of water per day. It will help you. You will stay hydrated. And all my girlies, all my ladies that are after healthy skin, glowing skin, the number one tips to glow your skin is when you stay hydrated. Buy expensive cream, buy expensive this. When you don't take water and your body feels dry, that cream will not work. That is why any skincare professional will tell you that taking water is very, very important to the body. When you are taking this, it will help you. Now, here comes the question. And some people will ask me, Faith, so are you now saying we should not eat instant noodles? No! Instant noodles is loved by many. Instant noodles is quick to eat. Instant noodles is delicious. It is sumptuous. We are not saying you should stop eating noodles. All we are saying is that you should not eat it frequently, so that you will not put yourself at risk. Yes, don't put your child at risk. Don't give it to your child every day. Some parents, in fact, when their children is going to school, every blessed day, they must make noodles. 98% of what you are giving to that child is noodles. No, you are killing that child slowly. It's bad for that baby's health. Don't give instant noodles to your kids every now and then. If adults should not take it, is it now kids that should be taking it often and often? Some adults went ahead and even eat it as crunchies. They eat it raw. Sis, bro, you are killing yourself. If cooking it is as this, now imagine how eating it raw will destroy and kill you as fast as you could imagine it. Please, if you eat instant noodles raw, it is not snacks. It is something to be cooked, well prepared and enjoyed, not a snack for you. Please, if you do this, stop it. Stop it, please. Now, make sure you eat it as you've been recommended to eat it. And once you do that, I bet you instant noodles is one of the most delicious meal, very fast, delicious meal anyone can have in their home. But make sure you eat it correctly. Without further ado, I believe I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that instant noodles do not cause cancer. Instant noodles is not bad. MSG that is present in instant noodles, the seasoning, is not bad. What is bad is the high sodium in it, and I have explained how you can take it, reduce that seasoning. Don't eat instant noodles. You are cooking 5 and then you are putting the whole 5 seasoning. Sis, you are killing your husband. Bro, you are killing your wife gradually. Sis, you are killing that child gradually. How on earth would you imagine that you are cooking 6 noodles for the family and you put the whole 6 seasoning just to make it sweet, just for your husband to praise you or for your friends to praise you that you can cook? No, there are other things you can add to it and it will make it tasty. MSG is not harmful. It enhances the taste. Is a flavor that is present in that noodles to enhance the taste. But when eaten in a wrong way, that is what is bad to the body, in the body. I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that when videos like this comes up, YouTube is going to notify you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.